In this tutorial, we'll show you how to automate Bing searches to earn Microsoft reward points quickly and easily. Go to the Microsoft Rewards homepage by visiting rewards.bing.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Open a new tab in your browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser and select Extensions. Click on Visit Chrome Web Store from the Extensions page. In the search bar, type Automate Bing Searches. Find the appropriate extension and click Add to Chrome. Once added, confirm by clicking Add Extension. After the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon, Extensions menu, in the top right corner of your browser. Pin the Automate Bing Searches extension for easy access. Now, click on the extension icon to open it. Inside the extension, click on Start Extension. You will see an option to start search. Click on it. The extension will begin automatically conducting searches on Bing. You can adjust the settings to control the number of searches. Set it to 25, 0.5, and 1 to automate a steady number of searches. Turn on the Start Activities After Searches option. This will allow the extension to complete additional activities like quizzes and daily challenges automatically. As the searches continue, you will notice your Microsoft reward points increasing. The extension will automate both searches and activities, making it easy for you to earn points without manual effort. That's how you can quickly and easily earn unlimited Microsoft rewards points using automated Bing searches.